Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing out this amazing rice hair mask remedy. I tried this out and I decided to share it with you guys. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Zia, and in my channel I try out hair growth remedies and glow up tips. If that's what you're interested in, then you might as well consider joining the family. And without further ado, let's get into the video. To make this amazing deep conditioning treatment, we're just going to be needing about half a cup of rice, and then you proceed by making sure you overcook the rice. Don't just cook your rice like how you usually cook it, but you need to overcook it a bit so that you're able to have a very nice looking paste when you proceed to blending it. Once your rice is perfectly overcooked like this, yes, overcooked, this is how your rice should appear. We now proceed to the next process, which is perfectly blending it. Once you see, the benefit of overcooking your rice is that you won't have a hard time when it comes to blending it, and you don't even need to add more water in it. Just makes the blending process much more easier. After we're done with the blending process, this is the consistency that you'll have, a nice looking milky consistency. I'm telling you guys, this mixture was just smelling so nice. Oh, it was smelling so nice. You can basically use any rice that you have, and then from here we're going to proceed in adding our hair oil. And I decided to go with castor oil and coconut oil. These are my way to go hair oils. You can go with any hair oil you prefer, but make sure coconut oil is included in the remedy. And then you give the combination a very nice mix, and there you'll have it, nice fine smooth paste that you can now use to apply as your deep in conditioner treatment. And let me tell you guys, at this point the smell, it smelled so good. I just felt like eating it, I won't lie, but it's a hair conditioner, so I'll just let it do its work. So from here our mixture is ready, and now we're going to proceed into applying the mixture into our hair. So this is how my hair is looking like, and today was actually my wash day routine, and I decided why not try this remedy out. Make sure you detangle your hair to get rid of the tangled ends before doing anything. And yeah, now we'll proceed into sectioning our hair into 4 sections. Always work in sections. That's always the best way when it comes to doing any form of remedy into your hair. So this is how perfectly smooth the remedy is looking like. Look how nice it looks and smooth. And now it's now time for the application process. So when it comes to application, you first of all need to make sure you apply it good into the scalp. As you go down to the strands of your hair, go back up, slide it down, go back up, and that's the motion you just have to go with as you make sure you rub it good into the hair strands. At this point, the consistency was starting to feel a bit smooth, it was making my hair feel smooth. I was like, I'm enjoying this rubbing into the hair and all. Yeah, so make sure you massage it good into the scalp. You go up and down motion. During the application is when I now started noticing how my curls are now starting to get defined. Look at that. I was already loving the process. Anyways, make sure you rub it good into the hair, up and down motion, up and down motion. That's basically what we're going to be doing this whole application process. So let's talk about the benefit of using the rice hair treatment. The rice hair treatment is loaded with many nutrients and it helps the hair grow healthier. It nourishes the hair, the scalp, and also strengthens the hair strands. The rice hair treatment also increases volume, gives the hair a better shine and appearance, and also repairs damaged cuticles and prevents dandruff. You can actually make use of this remedy once in a week. So from here, I'm just going to be putting a plastic bag into my hair, and just imagine if I actually shaved my hair. Look how short my hair looks like here. So I'm just going to be putting on this plastic bag on my hair, and I'm just going to be letting it sit for an hour. So an hour is now done, and it's now time for me to wash this off from my hair. Honestly, just by touching my hair, I just loved how soft my hair was feeling like. Even look how defined my curls were, and it was actually feeling amazing on my hair, honestly. When it comes to washing off the rice treatment from your hair, I would highly recommend you using warm water. Please don't use cold water when it comes to washing off the rice treatment from your hair. I had to do about 3 rounds of using shampoo in my hair, and you don't want to imagine the number of rounds I had to go just to get warm water. So kindly wash your hair with warm water when it comes to cleaning the rice remedy off your hair. So here is now my perfectly cleaned hair strands, and my hair just felt amazing at this point, and I'm just going to be doing the next step, which is just detangling my hair and letting my hair perfectly air dry before I apply oil into my hair. So if you might ask me, will I consider doing this remedy again? And my answer will be a yes. When it comes to on a budget, you all have me there. So this is the best on a budget hair treatment you can ever think of doing. And yeah, I think I finally found my best on a budget hair treatment. Honestly, I'll be doing this remedy mostly after every 2 weeks when I decide to wash my hair. So this brings us to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, let me know if you're willing to try this hair mask remedy treatment. I'll be so excited to respond to every one of you in the comment section. And also, if this is your first time joining us, or if you have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the family and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification on so that you won't miss out any of my future coming videos. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I appreciate a lot, and I'm grateful for your time, and thank you so much for always coming back to watching my videos. God bless you, and I'll see you guys in the next coming video, and take care.